Good morning, guys. I am uploading this week's youth questions video right now, and you can see it's a pretty big file, almost 800 megs, so it's going to take a while. But I'll put a link in the description below, because by the time you watch this, it's probably available. And this week is about breaking up with your boyfriend or girlfriend. We talk about how to do it, and from a question from a student who's like, I'm not really sure, like, he likes me, but I don't want to hurt his feelings, and that kind of stuff. So, a lot of good advice, a lot of good information there. Again, link below, go check it out. And it should be there in approximately 74 minutes. But it'll be there by the time you watch this.
Hey guys, my name's Tim, and this is my wife Dana. Together we have 2 kids, our super cute daughter Hannah, and our little guy Zeke. We've been married since 2006, and this is a video about our life. Zeke, that's your great-grandma. Your other great-grandma.
They're smiling.
Yeah. Hannah, you trying to get that cat still? What? Yeah. Zeke, you like your great-grandma? You like touching her nose, huh? You just like touching faces. Aww. Hannah, can you say hi, great-grandma? Hannah, say hi, great-grandma. Where's the cat go? I think the cat's under the table. Look. Yep, the cat's under the table. You see this cat now? There it is. Hi, kitty. Are you going in after it? That poor cat. Time for great-grandpa to meet Zeke.
Yeah. Sir.
Hey, slobber boy.
Hi. He's a great-grandpa.
Yeah. You get excited?
Hi there.
Oh, he's got stuff to play with.
Yeah.
You're going straight for the checkbook in the pocket, huh? Good boy. Hannah. Hi. Ooh, that's a big bite. What are you eating, little girl?
Rice and beans.
Rice and beans? The thing about being in Texas is that the Mexican food is much more decent than in Minnesota. Wouldn't you agree? It's got like more flavor, more spice. Minnesota, everybody likes stuff bland. But closer to the border, it is good, little guy. Say yummy. Here. Say yummy. Zeke's great uncle, Zeke's great grandma, and Zeke's great grandpa.
Great grandpa.
What a great lunch. It's a lunch full of greats.
That's good.
See what I did there?
Grace.
If that was really big, I would definitely lay in it. In fact, I would much prefer to drive 17 hours to Texas in one of those things, my size, than I would in like normal car
Strap
seat.
down to where you can't adjust yourself.
You like recline, you can like lean your head to the side. And then someone in the front seat just keeps reaching back and giving you crackers and snacks and stuff the whole time. Be like,
He doesn't
man,
get crackers and
this
snacks.
is the way to travel. What?
He doesn't get crackers and snacks.
Alright, well in his case, that's for Hannah. In his case, it'd be pacifiers and toys and books, and that's the way to travel, man. That's what I'm saying. You know what I'm talking about?
No. What are you talking about?
It's a Mimi. Mimi. She's coming over, Dana.
Mimi. Hannah, say mommy.
Can you say mommy?
You say mommy?
Mommy. She did it
Oh,
good.
good girl. Usually says Mimi.
Me.
Say mommy. 4 generations. Oh, I gotta take a picture here too. See if I can do this at the same time. Oh wait, it turned off. Okay. Okay, whoops. You ready?
There you go.
You ready? Set 1, 2, 3.
Well, you do multitasking pretty good.
I am. Video and photography at the same time. Yeah. Let's make sure it turned out okay. Ooh, a little bright. We're looking at old family photos of Dana's grandparents, trying to see if there's any family resemblance to our kids. And
To Zeke.
To Zeke. And I
It's
don't.
my mom.
She's little.
She's little.
And so then that is your grandma?
That's my grandma.
Oh, different
That's
grandma.
my great grandma.
Oh.
This is my great grandma.
Oh, okay. He's
He's out.
alive.
Yes. But this is my grandpa when he was little.
And Dana thinks that looks like Zeke.
I think a little
I
bit.
don't really see it. What's he doing? Is he night-night? You woke him up, Hannah.
Grandpa.
You scared me. I ain't gonna quit that.
You were snoring and she
didn't know what to do.
didn't know what to do. She looked at me and she pointed at you.
Hannah, go give him a big hug. Go give him a hug. Aww, that's sad. Go give your great-grandpa a hug.
Oh,
Ooh, those are pictures.
Ooh,
Let's not play with those,
pictures.
Hannah.
Hannah, you have a new favorite chair? She has no idea the cat is right behind her. Oh, you heard me. Where is the cat? The cat's right there.
I like that one.
Cat's right behind you. Other side. Look. There's the cat.
This looks just like Eric.
There it is! You found the cat! You're gonna forget about your chair now, huh? Yeah, cat. Great-grandma and grandpa leaving? They going bye-bye, Zeekers? They're turning around in the van? Okay, Hannah said bye-bye.
Open the door. Bye.
Here they go. Bye-bye. Wave. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Here we go.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Oh, there goes the cat! Woo! Uh-oh, we're gonna lose her now. Hannah!
She's barefoot. She won't go too far.
There's a cat.
Cat!
There's a cat.
Here, Hannah, do you want your little cat toy?
Not outside.
No? Okay. Let's go inside, little girl.
Gwendolyn
Min
wants
wants it.
Let's go inside, love.
it. Come on, Hannah.
Hey, you're going the wrong way. Wrong way, wrong way. Other way. Other way.
Cat's like, this girl comes outside.
Doggone! Doggone.
You gonna make her fly?
Do you want me to make her fly?
Mom, let mommy.
Okay. We're gonna fly?
Fly, fly. Fly, fly. Good girl. Scared me. I moved the camera. I couldn't stay still.
One that.
Do it again.
Step up. Make a fly. Here we go.
I thought I was gonna come around the corner.